ang hirap, Dennis, magpalaki ng mag-isa ako. Mahirap, Oji. To be the mother and the father, never mind the financial aspect.
Because you didn't ask before.
No, yung financial aspect, no. Pag humihingi mga anak ko, he rejects. Ang sinasabi ko nga, and I told you this before years ago, Oji, I would have wished okay lang kasi si Julia worked early on. And si Julia naman, whenever she can help me, she will. Diba? Pero sana, kung ayaw mo supportan si Julia, si Claudia, sana si Leon tinira mo. Sana kahit si Leon, kahit paano mag-abot ka. Kunyari sabihin, Papa, sa tuition nawawala yan eh. Kay Leon bakit si Leon? Kasi lalaki yan. You have to be a good example. Because Leon, one day, should be a good provider and a good father. He needs a father figure na good example. Sana, Dennis, sabihin mo, anak, pasensya ka na, wala akong anak pera ngayon Sabihin mo, thank you kay mommy, siya nagbayad ngayon ulit Pero anak, yung sapatos mo, ako na. Yung medyas mo o yung mga uniform mo, ako na. Ay, diba maaawa pa yung bata? Matutuwa, wow, grabe si Papa kung ano lang kaya niya. Kunyari, 10,000 pera mo, Dennis. Mula nang naghiwalay kami, 2-3 asawa na siya ulit Diba, may anak-anak pa siya, diba? Sana pala sa 10,000, 1,000 bigay mo na sa mga anak mo. Only so that they know, it's a sign that you care for them. Diba? Ako na pupuno, pero emotionally lang, what it does to the children is you make them feel na you also love them and you care for them and you're making an effort for them.